Welcome to Nanny Knowledge with Miss Jen. Welcome mommies, daddies, nannies, and grannies. If you have any questions about this video today, leave it in the comments down below. I invite you to subscribe to my channel so you'll get updates and notifications when I post new videos. In today's video, we are going to learn how to sign two important potty training sign language gestures in American Sign Language: pee and poop. These potty signs can be used by the child to request help going to the restroom or to tell a grown-up, a parent, or a teacher that they need to use the potty. These potty signs can also be used by the adult to ask the child if they need to go potty or if they want to use the restroom. Our first potty training sign is to form the letter T hand shape by closing the fist and placing the thumb between the middle finger and the index finger, and simply twisting or shake it back and forth. This sign can be used for toilet and potty, or also tinkle and pee-pee. The T sign is easier for a toddler than the ASL sign for P, which is making the letter P hand shape by placing the thumb tucked between the index finger and the middle finger, and then tapping the middle finger on the nose. For most toddlers, the twisting or shaking T sign is a little easier for their undeveloped motor skills. To sign poop in American Sign Language, use your non-dominant hand to make a fist, leaving a small opening by the pinky finger side. Then with your dominant hand, make a fist and place your thumb into the opening of your other fist. Then move the thumb of your dominant hand downward with a distinct pulling downward motion to mimic something dropping out, while keeping your non-dominant hand stationary. If you have any questions about this video today, leave it in the comments down below. Give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell. I'm Miss Jen. Thanks for joining Nanny Knowledge with Miss Jen. Don't forget to subscribe.